Welcome, 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 A Piece of Work crew. Welcome to A Piece of Work's kitchen. If you're new, please subscribe and become part of the family. Thank you all for watching. Hope you like it. We're making shrimp scampi. Now your girl is back. I appreciate my girlfriend for taking over. So now we're gonna start our garlic butter for the garlic bread. I have roasted a couple heads of garlic. I put one head in for the garlic bread. I am adding butter, parsley, and some garlic powder. Mix, 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 mix. Don't forget that Romano cheese, you guys. You guys know I love me some Romano cheese. Mix, 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 and set that to the side so everything can incorporate. Here I'll be chopping a large red onion to go into the pasta. I have sliced 2 rounds and then I'll be mincing those up and setting them to the side for the pasta. I'll be prepping the lemon, roll, 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 roll to get those juices flowing. So I have now taken the second head of garlic and I'll be squeezing that and mashing that up for the coating of the shrimp. So let's begin to prep the shrimp, you guys. I will now smash the garlic all through the shrimp so all of the shrimp is kind of coated with the garlic, the roasted garlic. Then I'll be seasoning, you guys. Season, 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 season. Whatever seasoning you guys like of your choosing, go right ahead. I will be using some Himalayan salt, some pepper, and garlic powder. My go-to, you guys. I do not want to season this much because it is a simple dish. So now I will begin to cook the shrimp. I have added butter to the pan, butter that thing up, you guys. Then I'll be adding a little bit of EVOO so everything is incorporated, nothing is sticking, get some more of that good flavor. And I will be dumping the shrimp in. I will not be laying it out. I do not have time for that. No, 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 no. Just throw them bad babies in. Cook them about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're nice and pink. You guys, at first I was about to flip these things one by one. It's too many shrimp in this pan, so I got to just stir in, you guys. Stir, 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 stir until all of your shrimp are pinkish oranges color. So now you're going to remove the shrimp since they are done. And then you're going to keep the drippings in the pan and add more garlic. You guys, I cannot live without garlic. Add some EVOO and some butter to the pan. Get everything nice and sizzly incorporated. You're going to add your red onion and cook those down. Once the onion is a little bit soft, that's where you're going to add your wine. Don't forget that white wine, you guys. It brings everything to a new level. Once you add the wine to the pan, you're going to scrape the bottom of the pan with your spatula and get all of those drippings from sticking to the bottom of the pan because that's where all the flavor is. Make sure you stir and get all of those drippings from the bottom of that pan, you guys. Now that the wine, the onions, and the garlic have cooked down and incorporated, I am going to be adding a ton of butter to the pan. That's the butter sauce, you guys. Then I'll be squeezing my lemon all throughout the pan, you guys. Get that garlic, buttery, lemony flavor. So while the butter is melting, we're going to let that melt, 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 melt. Grab your EVOO. We're going to add that to the sauce. Then I'll be seasoning the sauce with some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some salt for more flavoring. While the sauce is simmering, I'll begin to prep the garlic bread. You're going to get you a nice loaf of Italian garlic bread or whatever choice of bread you all like for your garlic bread. You're going to slice that down the middle and you're going to add your garlic butter, you guys. Oh my goodness. Add your garlic butter, as much butter as possible to get all of the flavoring incorporated into the bread. Then I'll be closing the bread back and wrapping it in foil and putting it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. While the garlic bread is in the oven, I'll begin to prep the asparagus. Cut your asparagus down in half. Then you're going to add it to some boiling water for about 10 minutes until it's nice and tender. So now I am going to pull my garlic bread out of the oven, open it back up, and we're going to add some Romano and Parmesan cheese on top of it and put it back in on broil for about 5 minutes, you guys. 5 minutes. Look at that garlic bread. Oh my God. Look how golden brown that looks. So cheesy and flavorful. Hope you guys enjoyed this garlic bread, you guys. Now that the sauce is simmered, I'll be adding the fettuccine noodles to the sauce. Get that incorporated. Then I'll be adding the shrimp as well. Stir, 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 stir. Let everything get coated into that garlic lemon butter sauce. Then you guys are going to grab your asparagus, drain it, and add it to the pasta. Oh my goodness, it gives it so much color and so much flavor. You're going to stir, 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 stir. Oh, look at that. It looks so good. Then I'll be topping it off with some parsley and shaking my Romano cheese all over it, you guys. You know I cannot live without Romano cheese. Shake as much cheese as possible because that's what I do. The shrimp scampi is done. Look at that, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this dish. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell the next person, tell the next person, tell the next person. Please, you guys, I enjoy you guys. I thank you so much. Please subscribe. And thank you for watching A Piece of Work Kitchen.